I'm jealous. I want Tiffany. Tiffany, you're gonna be my new adopted daughter in a second. You got to
I'll
teach
take
the
you
rest of
in.
these knuckleheads how to take care of their parents. But no, I love the fact that and it goes back to legacy. That's part of your parents are part of your legacy and
Yes.
everything that you've done. So again, I'm joking, but I love that aspect of how you started the entire conversation by this is my intentions. This is what I want to do for the people who sacrifice for me coming up. So shout out to your parents. I know they're going to be watching this, and you all have created an amazing young lady, young queen out here who's doing her thing. And man, it's just amazing. So I wanted to give you your
Absolutely.
flowers
Thank
before
you.
Demetri take over with some more of these questions.
With
Like
some
we
more
always
logical questions that's going to help the audience figure out what they want to do with their life.
they good questions. They good questions.
I know, man. Listen, I'm not listening to you. This is for the people.
Right. He don't listen to me at all. Like he already knows this fool such a say anything. But
man, this is my big brother right here, the big brother that I never had. So all right, Tiffany. So as we come to a close, I got one last question. And
I got one more too, but I'm gonna let Demetri go first.
Cool, sweet. So you said that that you were able to tap into your gifts and your strengths. So for the people at home, I know that's one of the most pressing things that I've heard in common across many people that I've spoken with in person and online. It's like, I don't know what I'm good at. I don't know what I want to do. I want to make money. I want to, like, they end up always chasing the income, as you said, and not the impact. So, and I think the impact comes from you tapping into your gifts and your strengths. So in order for people to eventually get to the income part, they have to create an impact in the people. Basically, they have to serve the people first, like you were doing. So my question is, how were you able to tap into your gifts and your strengths so that you were able to make an impact on the people to then later on get the income?
Yes.